I'm so I'm smiling. You want to know why I'm smiling? Because I got a package from AliExpress. Now, AliExpress is not somewhere that I've ever shopped before. However, because AliExpress reached out to me, I decided to take a look and take my pick of some tech that they had on there. I mean, it's very cheap. It's very cheap. So this could go one of two ways. It could be hilarious, or I could be very impressed and maybe end up with some really cool, nice stuff. And don't forget to use these discount codes from the description for some discounts. Let's get to the unboxing, shall we? All right, so here we go. First up, we have, this is a Zeblaze Btalk 3 Plus. Check that out. Somebody like got real mad at this thing and just like beat the crap out of it, or like somebody like put an entire pallet on top of this watch. So hopefully it still works. We got the user manual, we got the charging cord. That's nice. Okay, it was a little weird to figure out, but this is how you charge it. It's just magnetic and it sticks on these little two things right here. Okay, here's the watch. It also came with a little screen protector. That's cute. I don't know if regular expensive watches even come with a screen protector or not. I feel like probably not. Knowing these companies these days, they won't give me a charging block. They probably ain't giving you a screen protector. So good job, Zeblaze. Next up, next product. Okay, I have one thing to say about this. Why does it look like this was taped 6 years ago? All right, so this is a Magcubic Ultra HD High Dynamic Range. It's a projector. We're going to see how good it is. I'm just going to throw it up on my wall. So this claims 4K Ultra HD, so 4K UHD, Wi-Fi 6, stereo sound, 260 ANSI, native 1280 by 720, dual Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, auto correction feature, and high dimension projection. A projection dimension of 40 to 200 inches. And mostly 5-star reviews. People seem to like this thing. So let's finish the unboxing, shall we? No way. This thing has a 1/4-inch thread on the bottom of it. You guys don't understand. You can put that on like any webcam mount, or I mean like tripod or whatever. I have so many of those laying around actually. All right, so we are going to plug it in and see what she looks like. My one complaint so far already is that this thing has a short power cord. So grab a short extension cable, call it a day. Make sure it's a heavy duty one. Get an outdoor one. They make those ones the best. And it sparked a little bit when I plugged it in. So hopefully this is rated for American power and not just like a weird adapter or something. Let's get that projector on, baby. So we got the projector all set up. Look at that thing. She's a beaut. It actually looks really nice. This thing is like $38, man. Okay, so now you're probably thinking, well, so what? He's got a projector, but he's got nothing to show with it, right? Well, that's where the third package would come in. And we're going to open that right now. That's right. We're going to open up our third piece of tech from Mr. AliExpress himself. He personally sent me this. Oh, baby, we got the KINHANK gaming console, Super Console X2 Pro. Built-in classic games, dual system. You could add games, HDMI output, multiplayer, and 20+ languages. Oh man, I'm so excited about this thing. Let's pull up the, I want to pull up the website because this one had some crazy claims too. Okay, so what does this thing say? This one's $39.72, Super Console X2 Pro. It comes with 2 controllers. It says it has 90,000 games. Gamepad included, ideal kids gift. It's an Android TV 9.0, so it's an Android box. So one of those things where you wouldn't want to plug this into your network, but run it perfectly fine on your TV. Just don't connect it to your Wi-Fi. 4K 60 Hertz UHD output, so perfect. 90,000 games, let's do it, baby. 90,000 plus. We'll see about that. Oh, it comes with 2 controllers. Oh. Oh God. Okay. There's something loose rattling around in there. I don't know what that is, but you got 2 free controllers, baby. Are they Bluetooth? Because I don't see a cord. There's a dongle. Oh, maybe the dongle is like loose. It is. That's what's loose. It was in here. Okay, cool. What the heck? Oh, it's like a triple USB splitter. That's pretty cool. This is also has a remote, which I guess makes sense because some people use it for like a TV box. This is so much smaller than I thought it was going to be. We got our HDMI cable. Power cube. All right. Let's get this thing hooked up, shall we? Okay, looks like it's loading a bunch of stuff. Nice, nice. Like all the different consoles. It's a little loud. All right, so we got the controller connected. So now we're just gonna see if we can play anything. Hey, it works. Let's go. The sound is very loud. Okay, so they have PlayStation, PSP, Supervision, all games, a bunch of stuff. There's like a Bart Simpson game, Atari. Capcom games. Dude, they got like everything, man. I don't know, what game should I play? Like Donkey Kong? Do you think they have Donkey Kong? Oh, they got all the Donkey Kongs. They have any new ones though? Oh, here's the Game Boy one. There we go. Yeah, this is what I played as a kid. Hype. Hype. Oh my God, it's literally a Game Boy on here. Oh nah, this is illegal. This has to be illegal. Oh, this game used to make me so freaking mad, dude. You don't even know, bro. You don't even know. Alright, let's do the first map. I got my bananas. We're skipping that guy. I got my homie. I remember how to play, man. Bump, jump on that guy. Oh, oh no! Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead for sure. Oh my God! No! Don't watch me. We can do this. We can do this. I'm not leaving till I beat this level. If I could beat it when I'm 5, I could beat it now. Yeah, come on down, buddy. I'm ready for you. No. Oh, I got him back. Yeah. Gotta get the Kong. Ow. Yo. Kill that guy. Get my ostrich. You thought I forgot about the ostrich? No. I'm gone. I got my rhino. Never talk to me again. I'm gone. Yeah! Oh, this is such a good game! Any Pokemon on here? That would be pretty crazy, right? Pokemon Diamond, Pokemon... That doesn't look like it's in English. Let's play Pokemon Diamond, baby. Does this really work? What is this? Why is it like double? Oh, is this a DS game? How does this even work? Whoa, Pokemon! What, dude, no way they just have Pokemon on this thing. 2007, yeah, this is a DS game. Oh my god, I can't believe this works. This is crazy, dude. Mario Bros. Korea, Dr. Mario, Super Mario Bros., like the original Mario Bros. This is for Game Boy Advance. Straight ripped from a Game Boy Advance. Oh, you have to hit start to play it? Is that how it was back in the day? Oh, I'm trash. Okay, I never played the old one, okay? I played Super Mario World 3. It's different. There's no way they let you have this amount of speed back then. Good thing I'm tall. Okay, I hit jump. That's bullshit. I'm gonna beat this. Game over! Oh my god, did I just start from the beginning now? Oh. They had it rough in the 80s. I'm speedrunning this shit. Okay. Give me my mushroom. Jump. Jump. Oh, come on. Uh-oh, I thought that'd be a mushroom for sure. I'm so ass. I hit the wrong button. No! Okay, get me out of here. Get me out of here. I can't beat it. But that was really fun. There's like so many games I didn't even know where to start, but everything that I looked up was kind of there in some capacity. Pokemon, Donkey Kong. If you grew up with older games like me, even if you played on handhelds, most of that stuff was remade from like Nintendo games. I didn't realize at the time that all the Game Boy Advance games and Nintendo DS games I was playing were basically just remakes. You know, you got kids coming over or whatever. It's a really cool thing. And the projector is actually very usable. Throw it up on a screen would probably look better than having like 2 screws through it. The camera doesn't really do it justice. It is actually a really nice, crisp projector. That was a fun experience. I highly recommend both of those, the projector and the KINHANK console. I like the watch. It's really cool. I don't know if I connect my phone to it, to your main phone to it. I don't know like what kind of stuff it's got built in or if it's safe necessarily. But there's a bunch of really cool features on it, and it has like an electronic display. You can set the time. So if you just want like a cool watch, you don't even have to connect it to your phone. A lot of the stuff still works. The calculator and all the basic stuff, like all the basic functions of the watch work. So it's a really cool $10 touchscreen watch that you can kind of do a whole bunch of cool stuff, and you don't even have to connect it to your phone. I like it. It's cool. It works. That's really cool. It's got a lot of the same features as my old Apple Watch, but it's literally $10. I got no complaints. Like I said, just don't connect it to your phone if you do. So do that at your own discretion. I don't know whether to trust it or not, and I don't feel like finding out the hard way. So anyways, if you enjoyed this AliExpress 3 cool tech from AliExpress video, smash like and subscribe so you see my future videos. Trying to get to 100K. So thank you guys so much for your continued support. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, maybe you watch this tech review playlist right here. Or maybe when I bought 3 weird keyboards from Temu or something. You know? Who knows? All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.